So you wanna auto blog or write blog articles using AI. So we are in 2025 and there are many auto blogging softwares, but now I have tested it all and I'm gonna tell you one thing. Now every auto blogging software, AI SEO writer offers you auto blogging, connecting to your WordPress and every single thing, but there are some features which are missing. Example, in AI SEO editor, I do not get options to add auto internal linking or auto external linking, and also I cannot connect my blogger website to the software. But there's only one tool which offers every single thing. Okay, now let me introduce you the software called Arvow, which is an AI SEO software which auto publishes to your blog. Not only that, you'll get free articles to produce at the initial. And when I click on create integrations, you not only have to Shopify, Wix or WordPress, but you also get an options to connect your blogger and also custom APIs. Not only that, if you try to generate articles, you can even generate an article using Amazon's single URL. Now, how 2 years back, I wouldn't believe if you tell me that, hey, in 2 years you're gonna get a software which is gonna take only single URL and turn it into an entire blog article which is SEO optimized. And also you will also get a YouTube blog post. You simply enter your niche, YouTube URL, video URL, and it will convert it into blog post. And with that being said, let me show you how to connect your WordPress account or any account. It's very simple. Okay, they will even give you guide. Okay, so for auto publishing. Okay, now I'm inside Generate AI. Now right now I'm inside Arvow AI. Now if you go to blog automation, you will have a bunch of options right here. One is a campaign and auto blogs, site optimizers, integrations, indexer, publish, and feeds. Now what you want to do is go to the campaigns on auto blogs. You can create a separate campaign. I simply click on campaign. If you don't know, if you want to, they will also have a separate watch video tutorial option. You can simply click on it and navigate. Now I'm just going to show you what to do. Click on new campaign and here type in your campaign name. And here you want to enable auto blog. Now once you enable, it's going to ask you a bunch of options. One, full automation mode, which means you just have to simply one click and everything will be auto published, including images, etc. Internal linking, sitemap, everything. Automatic inputs, content generation, and publishing seamlessly. Okay, and planned automation, you choose the inputs manually, which means you simply manually enter SEO keywords, and whenever you want to automate, you want to manually go to the seed keywords. Okay, the keyword which you are put it into waitlist and click on add. Once you click on add, it will auto publish to the the WordPress or whatever the CMS you are using, which means you have control over the number of articles produced. Okay, now automation with review. Now it will entirely push to public WordPress, but you will have control over the publish button. Okay, it do not publish directly. It will only push the content just like planned automation mode, but the difference is full automation mode complete entire end-to-end it publishes without review or without anything. Planned automation is you manually have to choose the articles which you want to publish. Now automation with review is it will push all the content to WordPress, but you need to publish. Okay, you need to review and approve articles before they get published. So that's it. I'm gonna go with a full automation mode just in case. So, and also you can select the feed. So there's no feed, there's no RSS feed. I'm gonna just leave like that. Or you can go to feeds here on the dashboard. In the dashboard you have feeds and you can select it. Choose a feed that will be used to generate articles. Now it's a mandatory. So let me go and create the feeds. First, create a feed. Set up keyword feed. So I'm just gonna click on set up keyword feed. So I just want to go with my feed keyword would be the dog food key articles. Website URL, integration URL would be the full URL of your website with a www without the W. So I'm just gonna copy and paste. https querylookup.com. Yeah, this is my WordPress URL, and seed keyword seeds are dog food. Dog food. Best dog food. Best food for pet dogs. healthy food for dogs. Competitor, so I can give the competitor. So what it does is when you give a competitor URL, and it's gonna go fetch, analyze into our website and grab the keywords and compare it. Okay, maybe if it is overlapping or not overlapping. Okay, so I'm just gonna give empty, or I can find the competitor right now. So right now you can see I just enter my keyword. So I'm just gonna go and set people as. So this is gonna be the competitor link address, and go to the web dashboard, and yeah. So that's it. Now country, United States, and English. Create a feed. You can only add up to 3 seed keywords. Okay. Create a feed. Now it creates a feed, and we are gathering keywords for you. Now let me go to the campaigns on Autoblog, and here the campaign name will be called Query Lookup, and enable Autoblog full automation mode. Continue. Select the feed is going to be 2 food articles and integrations. So I have to create integration right now. Choose whether the generated articles will be published. So let me go back, go to the integrations, and click on create integrations. And here I can go to the WordPress, and here you have to give the WordPress URL, your WordPress install. Now here I'm just gonna give querylookup.com/WP login, right? So that's where the WordPress is installed. And give your admin login username and authentication method. So you want to see the guide, do it yourself, or you can also use application password. Now if you don't know how to create application password, let me just show you. Go to the WordPress dashboard and go to the users. Once you add new user, you're gonna be prompted application password. Now you can manually give new application password name and add new application password name, and it's gonna give WordPress is gonna give you an application password which is encrypted, and you need to give it here. Okay, so and you click on test connections after you do all those things. Now if it fails, it might be something wrong and you need to rectify it. If it gets success, then you can start testing posts, right? And you can also give the time gap between posts, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. Now I usually give it 4 hours because if I shouldn't spam, right? So I'm just going to give you, I would also even recommend you 4 hours, and you can also use keyword as a slug and automatic categories. Now I do not like to make it automatic categories because I would manually do it myself. I would like that. Pages, Elementor, if you're using Elementor plugin, and SEO Elementor plugin. So you can simply click on create. So that's it. So once you create everything, you can choose the feed and choose the integration which you have created, the domain, and then social media, post to social media. You can also add blog, Facebook, Quora, right? Intervals every day or every week. Set it for every day, okay? 4 hours, 4 hours. What is 24 by 4? 8 blocks per day. Randomized time, okay? You also have manual time here, and articles per batch, 1 or 2. Like every 4 hours you can publish 2 articles or 3 articles or 1 article, and then you click on create, and then go to the automations, and the campaign will be you can start the campaign, right? Now this is one of the campaign example. Now here you have all the inputs right here, okay? So if it is set to off generation mode, now you can manually click on generate article, it will be published to WordPress, right? Now you can also see the generations which previously have generated. You can also see all these things, okay? And you can maybe optimize it, again publish it, or rectify it. It's up to you. So this is how Autoblogging is done. Now if you want part 2 video, I can also make part 2 video showing you every single thing step by step. So if you want any extra help in setting up automation, you can DM me, or you can leave the comment and I will help you.